Hello students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are safe at your places. Now students, since I'm receiving your homework, I can still find that students, they are copying their answers from the Google. Well, answers are there in the book only and you can easily find them. You don't have to search Google for that, okay? Now students, let's continue chapter number 4, water, okay? And today you are going to learn about unsaturated solution and saturated solution. Okay, so let's start with unsaturated solution first. Solution which can dissolve more of the solute at a given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. I'm going to explain this with an example. Suppose I add a spoonful of salt into the water. Okay, the salt gets dissolved. Then I again add salt into the water. It again gets dissolved. I keep on adding salt into the water and the salt gets dissolved in the water. So this solution is known as unsaturated solution, where the salt gets completely dissolved in the water. So this is unsaturated solution. Now after this I add salt again into the water, and the point comes when the salt stops dissolving in water. Why? Because the solution is completely filled with salt. Okay, so it doesn't dissolve salt into it. This state or this solution is known as saturated solution, where solution cannot dissolve more of the solute or more of the salt at a given temperature. Okay, so the salt doesn't get dissolved in the water and remains at the bottom of the solution. So this is the difference between unsaturated and saturated solution. Now students, kindly open your book, open page number 70. And we are going to solve objective type questions of chapter number 4, water. Okay. Now here's the first question, which is complete the statements by filling in the blanks with the correct word or words. So first one is rainwater. The answer is rainwater is the purest form of water. It may dissolve gases like carbon dioxide. Okay, here carbon dioxide forming weak acids. Now the second one is water generates electricity. Here electricity in hydroelectric power stations and steam in boilers for industrial applications. Here steam and first one is electricity and steam. Now the third one is water is added to the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels. The answer is burning of fossil fuels and then respiration by living organisms. Respiration by living organisms. Now the fourth one is if potassium nitrate is added to water in a beaker to give a homogeneous mixture, then potassium nitrate is referred to as the solute. Okay, and water as the solvent. Water is a universal solvent. Okay, and the homogeneous mixture as the solution. Okay, now fifth one, water fit for human consumption and drinking purposes is called potable water. What is it called? Potable water. Now question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. The first one, sea water contains salts of calcium and magnesium. True. Second, water finds application as a means of transporting goods. True. Now third one, on boiling water exists in the liquid state. This is false. On boiling water exists in the gaseous state, water vapor. Okay. Fourth, respiration uses up water from the atmosphere. False. During respiration, water, it is added to the atmosphere. Okay. Fifth one, well water exists below the impervious rocky layers of earth. This is also false. The answer is well water exists above the impervious rocky layers of earth. Sixth one, sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate do not form an aqueous solution. False. Sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate, they form aqueous solution. Now seventh one, if x gram of solute is added to 100 gram of water at T degrees Celsius and the solution formed is a saturated solution, then x gram is the solubility of the solute. This is true. Now eighth one, purification of water is carried out to remove dissolved gases, for example carbon dioxide, and dissolved minerals like magnesium salts. This is also true. Ninth one, water from rivers and lakes is potable water. This is true. And 10th one, chemical pollutants include metallic salt solution of mercury and lead. This is also true. Now comes question number 3. Match the following. Okay. Now here we have this one. First one, sodium carbonate in water. The answer is D, aqueous solution. Chemical used in sedimentation during purification of water. The answer is alum, J. Third one, vaporization. The answer is liquid to gaseous state, which is H. Then kerosene and water. The answer is immiscible mixture. Then a solution which can dissolve more of solute at a given temperature. The answer is unsaturated solution. Sixth one, water as a habitat for marine life. The answer is this B, preferred place for an organism. Then a waterborne disease, dysentery. I, dysentery. Then eighth, existence of water between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. The answer is liquid state. Okay. Then taste in water is due to, answer is, it is due to dissolved gases and minerals. And the last one, the most impure form of water is seawater. Okay. Now comes question number, just skip question number 4. Now comes question number 5. Name the following. First one, a chemical used during chlorination of water. It is chlorine. 2. An agricultural pollutant in water. Pesticides. 3. A solid natural form of water. Snow. Snow is actually a natural form of water. Frost is also an example of solid natural form of water. Fourth one, the natural process by which circulation of water takes place from Earth's surface to atmosphere and back to Earth's surface. The answer is water cycle. Okay. Then fifth one, the liquid or medium of dissolution which allows the solute to dissolve in it. The answer is solvent. Okay. It is a liquid or medium of dissolution which allows the solute to dissolve in it. Okay, so you have to solve these exercises, these objective type questions in your book only.